Currently guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a $10 account. Showing you how to create a $10 account. If you have a $10 account and you don't know how to trade it, to grow it to become a very huge amount, don't forget to stick to the end of the video so that you know how to create a $10 account. So I deposited $10 into this account and I'll be trading it to a very big amount before the end of this video. So currently it's entering blue. The trade is going to move in a direction. Let me show you the analysis I made before I took this trade. Let me show you the analysis I made before I took the trade. So currently this market have been retesting from this zone. It reached there, it retested, it reached there, and the market spiked this up and it created a head. If you check this market, it created a head and a shoulder pattern. It created, this is the first shoulder, this is the second shoulder, but this spike here cleared everybody out, and when the market meant to retest, it now gave a spike. When it gave the second spike, it was a confirmation of this my head and shoulder pattern. And if I bring out this my vertical horizontal line, you see that the market have reached this zone. It will respect this resistance zone, so the market will expect this resistance zone to retest down. So currently we are already making profits in this $10 account. And if you're trading $10 account, don't forget to use only 0.01 lot size so that you cannot blow up account in any minor mistake. So if I also go back to the past experience where I took this trade, so currently this market is definitely here. This market is here currently, and if you look at this zone, you see that the market reached here and retested, to tell you that this zone is a very powerful zone. It's a very powerful zone that the market is going to respect. It's also reached here and retested, and also reached here to retest back. It will show you that the market is definitely respecting that zone. It's definitely respecting that zone, and it's also reached there and retested back, So this zone I entered this market is the right zone to trade. And if you check this my trend line, the market will reach and touch this trend line before it can start creating a bullish momentum. So we are already making profits in just the trade already. We are growing this account to a very huge amount before the end of the video. Don't forget to stick to the end to see the amount I'll grow this account into, and you also learn how to grow a small account into any amount of your choice. And if you are watching this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button, because I do drop videos and updates on how to grow small accounts, because a small account I do go to a very bigger amount of my choice. So this zone, the market reached retested. So later you watching the market to see what the market will give us at the end of the video. And already $0.30 in does this trade, in does a $10 account. Let's just be watching. Okay, and let me tell you something guys, before you enter any trades on a small account or any trades of your choice, you have to go over to a smaller time frame. This 1 minute time frame. You have to go over a small time frame. When the market was retesting at this zone, when the market now broke here, automatically I enter this trade, because I know that the market will definitely be retesting and be going down. So currently the market is retesting and is going down to our direction. The market is currently going down. So let us be watching the market and see what the market is doing. You guys, we are currently in $1.14 in growing this $10 account. I'm showing you the strategy and the process on how to grow a $10 account and become a pro in growing it, and grow account to any amount that you want. We are currently from $10, we're now $11.23 in profit. So this is the trade I took then. The market has been rejecting from this zone. And it created an MO pattern. So MO pattern signifies a very big downward sell down to this zone. So the market will sell down to this zone before I will take my profits. So this is the simple way on how to grow a $10 account. And if you are new here and you want to create a $10 account, don't forget to stick to this channel so that you can be able to learn how to go small account to a very reasonable and big amount of your choice. So I'll be giving you a recap on what happened last week. So recently, this market was in a very big downward trend. The market was in a downward trend. You can see the market have been falling. I marked this zone out as a very big downward trend. So the market, if the market reach there, it will retest down to this zone, and it will reach here, it will retest down to this zone, it will reach here, it will retest down to this zone, and the market have been doing this thing for a very long period of time. So, and one thing is saying goes in market, in this forex market, that the trend is your friend. You get, so you don't have to trade against the trend. So when this market, since this market have not crossed, this was the last, this zone here, I want to mark out now. This zone here was the last zone of the market. You see, you're seeing it right. This was the last zone of the market. So since the market have not broken from this zone, I still know that this was still a downward trend. So the market can go maybe from this zone, it can move up here, but since I've not broken from this very key zone, I definitely know it's still a downward trend. So I was still sticking to the trade, I was still sticking to the challenge. So I had my entry at this zone. Let me come to the 30 minutes time frame. I had my entry at this zone. When it gave the first spike, it now retested back. I was expecting it to retest. So when the market now gave me another retesting, I entered this trade because this market, imagine you go in a $10 account, this is all $10 accounts. Imagine this market now from this zone now retesting back to this zone. This because the market will reach here, automatically my account will go to become another kind from this $10 account. If this market goes from here, from this zone that I entered to this place, automatically I'm in $100 immediately. This is just a simple way of going a $10 account. I'll just, as I'm placing my trade, I'll just leave it because I know that the market is going to that zone. Then before you know it, my account will go to $100 account in just a $10 trade. I told you what you need to do is stick to 0.01 lot size. Don't increase your lot size because the market can give you some minor trades, some minor changes, and maybe wipe up your account. So if that I entered a very big, let me show you this, something I'm telling you. If I entered a very big lot size of maybe 10 lot size or 20 lot size to go this small account, you can see this, you can see I enter this market here. So the market now gave this first spike, pulled up back, but now went up here so that it can clear people stop loss, so that the market can clear people stop loss. Since I'm using those 0.01 lot size, since the market gave this spike, it went up here, gave this very high spike, start retesting. Because if it entered a very high lot size, by now my account have blown my account if it entered a very big lot size. So since I'm using those 0.01 lot size, I can see the market is retesting. So if I want to enter on that trade, I can enter on that trade now because the markets have currently broken this zone. Just watch this zone where the market have broken to show you that you can be entering more trades as you're going, since you're already making profit. So see, currently this market has broken this zone. So just be watching. The market has broken this zone. I've broken this zone it was last, because if you reach here to retest, if you reach here to retest, if you reach here it will retest. You see, now it have broken it. This market, I can now enter another sell. I can enter that sell on this market to make more money. So I'll be entering that sell now because the market have broken this zone. If you don't know how to go any small accounts, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and stick to this channel so that you can able to learn how to go small account to a very big amount of your choice. So stick to the end of the video. You see the amount I'll go this account into to a very reasonable account. So I'll be entering another sell in this market. I'll be entering that sell in this market. Okay, 0.01 the size. So okay, currently I've entered that sell because the market have broken. The market have, thus if you watch what I'm telling you, if you just follow my strategies on trading, you will definitely become profitable. You'll be reaping the broker because this broker have been programmed so that they can be taking your money if you're a newbie or if you're a beginner in this forex. But if you stick to the right strategy, you can be able to grow your account to a very profitable and reasonable amount. So definitely you're seeing the market is going down. You're seeing the market is going down, already making profits in the second trade you made. I told you the market have broken from this zone, and you see is going more down, is going down. Just immediately you enter this trade now, we're already making profit. I told you, see what I told you here. Let me go over to the smaller time frame, 15 minutes. Let us see what actually played in this trade. Let us see what actually played in the in total of the trade. So see what happened here. Let me minimize this and start. Let me show you what actually happened in this trade. So you see this market, the market have been, see this zone here, see that zone, the market have been reaching there and be retesting, and it went up. Then with a very big spike, it broke it the first time, it reached there the first time, and retested up with a very big zone, because here is like a very big gravitational zone pull that is pushing the market backwards. So if I zoom this thing in, you see that the market entered here and pushed up with the gravity of the force, and when it reached there, it retested back. So it retested back, it now created another channel that have broken the zone. So currently this market is a very sweet market to enter. You see the market is rejecting. Are you watching what is happening in the candlestick there? The market is rejecting from this zone. The market is giving me what I always wanted. It's rejecting from that zone to tell you that the market knows that is pulling down. It has broken from the zone, and it will create another pattern. If you watch the market, you see it is creating another pattern, and it is moving in a direction. That's what the market, it is broken from this zone. So if the market breaks from a zone, automatically you are sure that the market would start moving and be bypassing that zone. So so guys, if you watch what happened here, the market gave the first spike from this zone and it tested. It was respecting that zone. So when it now broke it with force, it now went back and reached there, we tested back. This place is a gravitational pull for the market. So the market now has broken it with full velocity, and I'm expecting the market to drop down to a very downward zone. It is going to drop down to where the market would reach before I'll end this, before I enter that trade. Where the market will reach and I end it and enter that trade. So the market is going to reach at this zone. The market will reach this zone before I'll enter another trade. So the market will reach this zone. You see that zone I mapped out now. These things are, I'm just sharing the experiences I've witnessed in this market for long that I've been trading. So this is just everything I'm sharing to you guys. Just stick to the end of this video. You see everything that I'm sharing to you guys at the end of this video. So you see the market, if the market have been retesting at this zone, it have been rejecting these zones, and it now gave a spike. So if the market have broken this place, it's going to retest, and when it reaches here, I will end this trade and I'll enter another trade. So I'll enter another trade on this market. So let's be watching the market and see how the market would reach here and reject. You see there that place is a very big key level for the market. So when trading a $10 account, you have to first of all enter with 0.01 lot size. And when you enter with 0.01 lot size, the moment you start making profit, that is when you can enter another trade. That is when you can enter and place another trade. So you saw me at first, I never placed another trade when I was trading. I placed only one trade, and when the market now gave me around that kind of $1, I entered another trade. So you can still see even if this market will go in a direction, and even if the market is going, you see that we are still, even if the market is going, we are still already making profits in 0.81 cents in profit. So even if this market is going against us, we are still in profit. But at the end of everything, I know that the market is moving in my direction since I've broken that zone. This market is currently creating a fake out. You get a fake out is something that the market does to traders and beginners that don't actually know the direction of the market. So if you're a beginner in this market, the markets do create fake out so that you can think the market is reversing. Me, as a trader that for long, I saw that I know this market is definitely going down, and just watch what this market will do and play out. If you're taking this trade with me, I want you to be journaling and be writing down some things in this trade. So let me also tell you one thing. So the market is definitely going down. The market is definitely going down. Already in profit. Already in profit. I told you this market is creating a fake out. This fake out is for those that don't actually know how to trade. They will think that the market reach there. Since the market have broken, you see the market is dropping down. Is dropping down. We're already sticking a profit. Is dropping very down. You see the market is dropping down. It's trying to reject that zone, but it have broken it. So the market, once it breaks a zone, it will definitely respect it for long. It will definitely respect the zone that it have broken. So let's go back to my past experience. You know me, I'm someone that likes trading with past experience and past conferences. And let me go back to the reason why I need to stick to this market. So I need to stick to this market for a very big reason. And if you see the market have been retesting from this zone, it have broken it too. I know that is a very big fall down of the wall of Jericho. The wall of Jericho is about to fall down. So this does it for part 1 of this video. This does it for part 1 of this video. In the part 2 of this video, I'll be showing you the amount of money have grown this account into. I'll be showing you already making profits in this part 1. Already making profits. So don't forget to notice what I'm telling you in this market. So I don't want to make this video very long for you guys. In the part 2 of the video, or in the episode 2 of the video, I'll be showing you what the market gave and how I've grown this account to a very big account. I'm showing you the real life thing experience. This is no joke, no kidding. This is just real life of what the market is giving. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and drop your comments on the amount of money you want me to deposit and go it into. Don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas on these trades. See you in the next video. Peace.